The smartest career move you can do this year is to start a YouTube channel. And I will die on this hill. You might be thinking, but I feel really awkward on camera, and isn't YouTube oversaturated? Or I don't want to dance on camera or chase trends. But YouTube is not just a social media platform. It's one of the few places where you can build a digital asset that works for you long after you create it. A single video you make today can introduce someone to your ideas months or even years from now. And in a world where careers are changing, attention is the new currency. And that brings me to reason number 1. The old career path is changing. For generations, we were taught the formula: get a degree, get a job, climb the corporate ladder, and then retire and get your freedom. But the world has completely changed the last 12 months. Firstly, AI is taking over a lot of jobs, and it's like a tsunami just sweeping over so many jobs. For example, my friend, she's a successful software engineer, and the entire junior team have all been fired because they've been replaced by AI. So she was going to switch to become a lawyer, but then her friend who is a lawyer just said that the junior teams of lawyers have also all been fired because they've been replaced by AI. So now she's looking at starting an AI company. The 9-to-5 world is no longer safe. The second reason why the career path is changing is because people are trusting companies less and less. A good example of this is I saw this ad on TV. It was like a skincare product. And they had shot it like a TikTok video. You know those TikTok videos where the person is trying out the cream and is like, oh my gosh, I'm seeing such a difference, see the before and after, because that is what's working, not these polished $1 million campaigns in these professional studios. That's not working anymore. People want advice from real people. There's also why companies are paying so much money to creators for brand deals. Reason number 2 why YouTube is your best career move is because it builds trust like no other platform, especially if you're someone who wants to create a business around your passion or your purpose. And that's because people buy after a certain amount of touch points, research says. So if you created a TikTok and it's 10 seconds, versus a 20-minute YouTube video, that builds up so much warmth with your audience compared to this 10-second TikTok. So when they've watched a few of your YouTube videos, they will feel like they know you, like they're your friend. They understand your philosophy. They trust your expertise. They become part of your world. And that relationship is so valuable because people don't just buy information anymore. They buy transformation. Information they can just get themselves on asking ChatGPT. Reason number 3 is because you can turn your passion into income. And that's what I've done. I haven't had a job in over 8 years. This is my full-time job, making YouTube videos. And the reason why this is so beautiful is because it creates multiple passive income sources, like ad revenue, affiliate marketing, courses, coaching, digital products, brand partnerships. You can create a membership. You can get speaking opportunities, so many revenue streams. But the biggest opportunity isn't actually the money from YouTube itself. It's what YouTube can lead people towards. Your channel becomes the doorway into your ecosystem. So let's say somebody's looking for a video on how to open their third eye. They search it into YouTube and they find your video. And then they say, oh, she has an email list, and then subscribes. Now they're in your ecosystem. They're in your community, away from the social media algorithms. And you didn't have to pay anything. No paid ads needed. Reason number 4 is because it gives you a chance to show authenticity. I think we're moving away from the era of shallow content. People are craving depth now, conversations, wisdom, people who stand for something. And this is why I think YouTube is so powerful for light workers and people who have a life purpose that they're pursuing, because your message needs space. And a 15-second video can inspire someone, but a 30-minute conversation can change someone's life. And if you want to get more clarity on how you can create a YouTube channel and like what the niche can be, then definitely book a free business clarity call with us, a link in the description. So if you've been feeling called to share your voice, if there's something you learned, overcome in life that could help others, don't underestimate the power of creating. You don't need permission. You don't need millions of followers. You just need to start. Because 5 years from now, you'll either wish you started today or you'll be grateful that you did. Let me know if you have a YouTube channel or if you want to start a YouTube channel. And next up, check out my video, Best Business Models for Spiritual People, to learn how to actually monetize your YouTube video step by step. Love you so much and see you in the next video.